Strength comes in all shapes and sizes. In Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where highly skilled experts at Magneti Ljubljana produce permanent metallic magnets, bonded magnets, and magnetic systems that power life on Earth and explorations in space. With a tradition of more than 70 years, Magneti Ljubljana has become the leading European manufacturer of permanent magnets, whose name is synonymous with quality, even at a global level. Today, its team of dedicated engineers works closely with universities and institutes in developing state-of-the-art materials and complex-shaped magnets for electronic, automotive, medical, aerospace, and rail industries.
At Magneti Ljubljana, we adjust to the demands of a growing market by exploiting our competitive advantages, such as our knowledge, creativity, flexibility, and sustainable mindset. We know that cooperation is key to long-term success. That is why we are committed to fast and efficient development, reduction of waste, and above all, to increased use of recycled and secondary raw materials in our production processes.
Quality of operation is of paramount importance to Magneti Ljubljana, something it has proven with numerous awards and certificates. The Silver Medal for Extraordinary Achievements in Social Responsibility being just one of them. With the creative use of technology that allows for the production of new magnets out of end-of-life magnets, it reduces the use of pure raw materials and leads the industry with circular economy models. By being green, creative and smart, Magneti Ljubljana is an example of the resourceful Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Feel the force of nature in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.